This is the final testing for phase 1. It's mains power, using the mains power 110 volts stepped up to double to 330, feeding the whole system, which is the operational voltage for the lamp. It's a 1500 watts lamp, and you see the LED there indicates the switching is running properly. The capacitor I used was a 100 microfarad capacitor running at 2 Hertz. So it's roughly about, it's a 5 joules. The wattage is 10 watts. And since the power supply was from a computer power supply rated at 450 watts, so it's way enough for powering the system. So let's give it a try. So yeah, it worked. It works. It gives massive bright flash. I'm wearing the eye protection. Okay, so the circuitry of phase 1, or for the future phase, for the phase 3, is tested working. Actually, I ran into a little problem with the charging resistor, the resistor in the charging loop. It was a 0.5 watt resistor in the charging loop, and it was burned and it caused a little electrical fire. So I was worried a little, and I changed it to a 10 watt resistor, and I touched it, it wasn't that hot. So the charging resistor doesn't have to be the resistance that gives exactly or spans over exactly the charging path width. So as long as there's some resistance in the charging loop as a current limiter, that should be fine. So that resistor, 10 watt resistor, is only 56 ohm. So it doesn't get hot. So for phase 3, the resistor we're going to choose doesn't have to be the calculated 390 ohms for the 120 megawatt system. So it could be a lower value as long as the wattage is high. So yeah, that's it for phase 1 final test, and the circuitry is tested working. Okay.